Have you asked yourself which camera you should use? Well, it depends first and foremost on what purpose you want to fulfill. We focus here on videos that are to be posted on YouTube. But even there is still a wide range of possibilities. I'll show you 3 cameras you can use and one you should definitely avoid.
This is the GoPro. It is a very versatile camera, and to be honest, this is my favorite. It is originally designed as a sports camera and it can be used for all purposes. It is also a tiny and robust camera, which is why you can make videos from very different angles and perspectives. And by the way, this is the proof that the light turns off when you close the door of the fridge. This is a so-called DSLR, which means digital single lens reflex. Since this is more a professional camera, it is sometimes difficult to use. If you are using such a camera, I could recommend to use it in the automatic mode. And also recommend to use an external microphone, because with this you get rid of the noise of the autofocus from the lens. The best camera to use for our purposes is, in my opinion, your smartphone or your tablet. Modern smartphones have a very good resolution, which is very, very good for your video. What is the resolution? Well, I will explain that later on in another video. The worst camera you can use is the webcam on your laptop. First, because most of the videos are taken from a very strange perspective. And second, those webcams are recording with a variable frame rate, which causes your editor to freak out and to deliver asynchronous video and audio. So please don't use those devices. Okay, that's it for today. If you have more questions, just leave them in the comments of this video. Bye!